Hello guys, I show you flag image of South American countries. You identify the flag and tell which country's flag image. Please subscribe the channel. Question number 1. Brazil. Question number 2. Argentina. Question number 3. Colombia. Question number 4. Peru. Question number 5. Chile. Question number 6. Venezuela. Question number 7. Ecuador. Question number 8. Bolivia. Question number 9. Guyana. Question number 10. Uruguay. Question number 11. Suriname. Question number 12. Paraguay. Question number 13. French Guiana. Question number 14. Aruba. Question number 15. Falkland Islands, Islas Malvinas. Question number 16. Trinidad and Tobago. Question number 17. Curacao. Question number 18. Caribbean Netherlands.
To change your